Hello everyone, this is me Ishita. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. In this lesson, you can learn how to speak English more fluently with confidence. So what's the problem? The main problem is you can write English, you can understand English, but you can't speak English on your own, isn't it? So, how long have you been studying English? That's not the point. The main thing is that you are learning English that can be a long period of time or that can be a short period of time. Whatever you are learning in English, that can be English grammar, vocabulary, new words, sentence structure, whatever it is, you need to speak English confidently. So for this, we need to fix this problem of speaking English fluently and confidently. So in this video, I will provide you some tips and tricks to help you to improve your English fluency, and you can also able to speak English if you follow those tips. So are you ready? Let's get start the video. And before starting, make sure you have subscribed this channel for all latest upcoming English learning videos updates. So for all learners, to speak in a different language, that is a quite harder achievement for all of us. So don't worry about that at all. For this, you need to practice more and more. If you want to speak English effectively and confidently, you need to spell on yourself. You can't learn this from a book or somewhere else. You need to practice hard. Whatever you are learning, that's not a big deal, but you must have the basic idea or basic sense of this language. After getting fluency in English language, then you should upgrade yourself in an advanced level. Okay? So in this video, I will explain you about some master tips and tricks for getting your English fluency very easily. So first of all, speaking is a practical skill. Nothing will help you speaking quality except speaking. As I mentioned before, you can't learn it from a book. For this, you need to practice regularly to make it progress. You need to spend minimum at least 2 to 3 hours in a day. So there is a question comes that why do you want to speak English fluently? Each person has a different reason as to why they want to speak English fluently or proficiently. Some may want a better job and others may want to travel or to make new friends, and some of them are for educational purposes only. So no matter what reason for learning to speak English is, you need to commit to learning English. There is no magic formula to make you learn English in a day. You need to set a goal and stick to how to plan improve your English language skills. You will not learn to speak English in one day, but the more you practice, the better you will get. Many people think that they can't become better speakers without traveling or living in an English-speaking country. This is not true. There is so many opportunities in most places in the world and online that will allow you to practice your speaking skills without ever leaving your city. So the first point I will explain, that is, memorize phrases, not words. That means when you are learning a new language, it is sometimes difficult to know what to focus on. Many people focus on memorizing list of words like vocabularies in a new language. That is not good practice. Instead, try memorizing phrases or sentences that are meaningful to you. So the phrases that we will use often and more than once. For example, yesterday I went to school. Yesterday I went to school. After memorizing this, you can insert more words to change the meaning of itself. For example, like yesterday I went to walk. Yesterday I went to the store. Yesterday I went to the restaurant. Like that, okay? It will be more helpful if you memorize those phrases or short sentences. That will help you to construct sentences easily. Now I will discuss about try to make an audio or that can be a video journal, okay? Every day you could record yourself speaking about your day or any topic. This would allow you to practice speaking, and you could play back the recordings to see how you are improving. Even making a goal of speaking for at least 5 minutes a day, that can help you to improve your English fluency. Next tips that I have, that is, watch the news in English. Many people have the habit of watching the news in their native language. And if you watch the news in English, you can stay informed and improve your English listening skills at the same time. You can choose any of the news channels. I prefer mainly CNN News and BBC News. They are the foreign channels. That will really helpful for you to improve your English listening ability. Next point that I have, listen to music in English. So for this, YouTube is a great platform and great resource for listening to music in English. You can also find many songs with the lyrics on the videos. By listening to a particular song while reading the lyrics of the song, you will be able to identify or able to read the words that you didn't understand as they are being sung. You can also use the lyrics to help you to learn a new vocabulary and natural sentences, structure or expressions. The music you are listening in English that will also help you to speak faster in English. So you are good at writing and reading in English, but you have struggled to understand native speakers. This is very common problem. There is many different activities you can do to improve your English listening skill. Remember, you won't understand everything you hear. That's okay. At the beginning, you may only understand 20 or 30% of what you are hearing in English. So for this, you need to focus on the words you do understand and try to understand the overall meaning of what you are listening to. Now, the point comes about the mistakes. Many English language learners are afraid to talk because they don't know the correct words to say, or they are afraid they will say the wrong words or wrong verbs in sentences. So please don't worry about that. You can't get better at something without making mistakes and trying. The more mistakes that you make, the better you will get. Making a lot of mistakes will also let you learn quicker. And so that's all I want to say with this video. The main thing is practice, practice and practice. The more you will practice, the more you will get the result as soon as possible. No one can make you perfect English speaker. Instead, you practice on your own. You should practice with your other colleagues or other who are willing to learn English. Try to converse with them. And if you like that video, give you a big thumbs up to me and share this video with your friends and family members. I hope these tips and tricks will definitely help you to improve your English fluency. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for getting more this kind of English learning videos every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, don't forget to practice. The more you will practice, the more you will get the result.